Hello everyone, today we'll be making homemade natural fruit juice without a juicer. So I would be using 3 apples and 2 oranges. You can decide to increase the quantity depending on the number of people you'll be making this for at home. So I decided to add a little bit of fruit juice to make it easy to blend. I'll be using a normal blender. You don't need any special type of blender to make fruit juice at home. And also, I'll be using a sieving cloth. If you don't have a sieving cloth, you can decide to use any normal sieve. Okay, so this is how the sieving cloth looks like, and my sieving cloth has tiny holes, so I decided to sieve it just once. If you are using any other kind of sieving cloth, you can decide to sieve it twice or 3 times depending on the holes in your sieving cloth. This is how thick my end product was after blending. If you don't have a juice at home to mix it with your product, you can decide to add water, a little bit of water. Remember, orange has juice, a lot of juice in it, so you don't want your juice looking all watery, so you need a little bit of water and a teaspoon of sugar. The sugar should blend uniformly with the quantity of water you are adding. It shouldn't be sugary, neither should it be tasteless. If this is your first time coming across my page, please don't forget to like, subscribe and follow for more. On this page, the videos ranges from lifestyle vlogs to cultural shocks in Germany, so please don't miss out on any update. Thank you so much for watching. If this video has been helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.